Hey guys, welcome back to day, I can't even remember, I'll look later. We're currently, another queue, currently at Costco.
Hey guys, right, we're doing the festive food challenge today. So we have come to Greggs. There it is, Greggs. I'm going to eat all the festive stuff this year. Okay, listen, they have a festive flatbread, so I'll give that a go. What's this anyway? Ah, some fried chicken one, damn it. Do they have any vegan ones? No, that's a shame. Festive bake there, and they do a vegan one, so I'm going to get Charlie vegan one, I'm going to have the normal one, and I'm also going to get this. So I've just been in Greggs, I got a gingerbread latte.
Janet!
Would you mind opening that?
Thank you so much, Janet.
I just want to show them. This is the gingerbread latte, guys. It smells amazing. So that's the gingerbread latte. Look at that. And then we've got vegan festive bake for Char. It's not very warm. Like, it is warm a little bit, but not really.
So I'm trying to
Yeah, but I just chuck in a couple after. I got, obviously, as you see, the festive flatbread. Let's have a look at this. I was intrigued by this. Look at that, festive flatbread. I'll get it out and obviously try a review for you to try it, but just showing what we got. And then I got a normal festive bake to try. So, you gonna have a try?
Yeah. We just had the car cleaned.
What do you think? Good? Oh, good. Would you rate it out of 10? This is our first festive meal of the day, guys. We're actually really slacking. We need to start eating festive food. We need to hurry up.
I'll give it a 10.
10?
Maybe 9.5 because it's not that warm, but the flavour's good.
Bloody hell. Right. I'm going to try this festive flatbread because it looks really good. Look at the picture.
This is behind the scenes of YT, actually.
Look at that.
That looks nice.
They do a baguette as well, but it was sold out. Right. Oh, this is really hot.
This is the vegan festive bake.
Look at that, guys. It's really hot. Look at it.
Very nice. Ooh.
That's hot. That is so good. Oh my god. Cranberry stuffing, bacon.
Go to Greggs, everyone, for the festive menu.
Ooh, it's hot. And then we'll have a quick little nibble on the festive bake if it's not too hot. And yeah, that's really hot. I can't try that yet. That is
Right after.
burning my fingers. But we got a festive bake. My latte's going to be piping hot as well, so I can't really eat anything.
There's a Christmas sandwich, apparently.
At Wix, because I'm getting an extension lead. 2 extension leads. How exciting. Woohoo! So guys, I've now got a festive bake. I've already had a bite because I was hungry. But festive bake, look. I think the festive bake is my favourite pasty Greggs do. It's so good. Right guys, starting the road with some King Edward potatoes. That's what they look like. And while I cook, I'm going to be drinking. Oh, why is that so far focused? Bucks Fizz. You can hear Elsie laughing in the background. Elsie's laughing. Oh, what? Oh no. What? I mean, the metal bit snapped. What a pain. Oh guys, hold on. Technical difficulties. Right, there we go guys. We've got the cork. Ready? I'm going to hold it though, because obviously I don't want it to go bang over the girls or Char, so we're just going to hold it. There we go. Bang. Love Bucks. This is like orange juice. Delicious. Right, let's start cooking. I'll show you what as I'm going along. Guys, doing the potatoes now.
I'm about to have some Twiglets. These are in the Christmas Who else has these on Christmas? These are definitely a Christmas snack. Aren't they? Like, I went to Reese, we need to get some Christmas chips. I said to Reese, we need to get some Christmas crisps. And he was like, and we both said at the same time, Twiggle!
Yeah, I think it's the best. Feed me one! Oh. Where's the rest of it? There, a little one. Char has decided that she hates that. So Char's having Schlur. So I'm going to make her some now. Very crispy. Okay, got the potatoes on. Meats in. Oh, did I show you what meats we have? I don't think I showed you. So there's a gammon joint over there, and Char's no turkey crown. Very nice. Char's no turkey joint. I just let Char a little try now, but she really likes it. We've got potatoes in. We've got my joint there, my gammon joint there. What do I need to do now? I need to wait a second, because I can't, because this is a microwave as well, so I need to use the microwave, but I need to do the veg, but that's like the last thing, and I also need to do my Yorkshire puddings. But that's also last. Oh, and gravy, but it's last as well. So I'm just waiting for the main things to cook now, really, and then it's just fine little bits. The joints are out now. We've got the pigs in blankets out now. They're not as good in the air for them, but then we've got the gravy going on now, but the potatoes are just taking a little bit longer than they should. They're taking ages, but should be it, and then a little bit of veg to go on, and it should be all done.
Right, so it's coming together. We're just waiting on the potatoes. Okay, here. We could probably have them like that anyway.
Yeah, I think you're happy with them.
I reckon they're still going to be tasty. Just because they're not that golden, doesn't matter. It's just taking ages and I don't want to wait anymore. Look.
Bring them out then. Use the tongs.
Voila! Got vegan turkey, pigs in blanket, potatoes, carrots, mint sauce, and gravy. Yummy! Thank you, Reese. Make sure.
Here we are. That is the roast. That's my one. Hope you guys enjoyed our... Oh no, so we're going to eat... Oh yeah, I'm going to eat loads of cheese and stuff after this. To round off the video for me, I was going to have cheese, but I'm going to have maybe one of those. Maybe one of those. We've got loads of Christmas stuff there. So, what else we got? Reindeer cakes. Or Twiglets. Oh, I got like sticky stuff pudding popcorn. I'm not with popcorn, so I'm gonna have. No. Oh, I got these. I forgot about these. So I'm gonna have some of this to go with the film. We're gonna watch Deadpool and Wolverine because it's just come to Disney Plus. So that's what I'm gonna watch. These are my final Christmas snacks of the day. I'm not sure if Charles gonna have anything, but I'll go for Christmas pudding as well. Maybe I'll have a Christmas pudding as well. I'm not sure yet. I'll have a look. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm not sure if Charles can do any more vlogging, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, that's my final bit of food. So we have decided to have our Christmas puddings. So let's have a look. We've got Christmas pudding and custard, I think. Charles never had a Christmas pudding before, so. Oh, Charles got cupcakes as well. Charles got some like gingerbread cupcakes as well, that's nice. Yes, we've got Christmas pudding each. 6 months matured. Right, I had to cook these in. Let's have a look. I swear you light these on fire. Because these have got like brandy in them or something, haven't they? Cider. Oh, do you put whiskey on top and burn it? Oh, I can't bloody remember. I think that's what you do. Oh. 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 Is there any way I can microwave this? Because mine takes half an hour. I don't want it if it takes that bloody long. Microwave. Oh, here we go. Heat full power for 50 seconds. Before heating, remove outer packaging. Do not remove the film. Place in a basin in a steamer for 30 minutes. Do you have to do that? Microwave can also be steamed. Oh, okay. Remove outer packaging and pierce film and then just microwave it for 50 seconds. Cool, right, I was going to say I saw half an hour and I was like, absolutely not, so cool. I think they both take the same amount of time. Yeah, 50 seconds, cool. Right, so they both take 50 seconds in the microwave, so that's not too bad then. Oh, me. Oh, I'm so thirsty, I don't know why, I'm so thirsty tonight. Right, I'm going to do that. We're going to microwave them, put custard with them, and then we'll show you when they're done.
Christmas pudding is now coming out. I've never ever had Christmas pudding before.
Just make sure that's hot and cooked. It doesn't feel very hot. Oh well. Raisins in it.
Here's the Christmas pudding.
And it's got alcohol in it.
Oh. I don't like alcohol.
I think it's cider. Right. There it is. That's my one.
It smells gross. I don't think I'm going to like it, you know. Because honestly, that smell is not it.
Your one smells nicer. It does, doesn't it?
I wouldn't say nicer, I'd just say not as bad.
Yours looks better as well. Yours just looks like a black sticky toffee pudding.
Right.
You ready?
Wait, we need to take a thumbnail quick. No, take a thumbnail. Oh.
There you go. I've got to try and get this open somehow. Where's that bottle opener gone? Thing opener. Oh, cheers.
Right. For the big reveal, everybody. Am I going to spit this out? Or am I going to like it? Here goes nothing.
You like it?
I feel like I have had this before.
Oh, really?
I recognise the taste.
Oh, there we go, that'll do. Fuck it. Why not?
I don't know. I wouldn't say it's nice, but I wouldn't say it's gross.
No mess around, can open a letter. Just popped in and pierced my fingers. Pierced my fingers for it.
I wouldn't say it's nice, but I wouldn't say it's gross.
Oh, cool.
I'd just say it's
Average.
average.
We should get it again.
Probably not. If someone gave it to me, I wouldn't be like, oh, damn, I got to eat that. But I wouldn't go out my way to buy it. But say I go to someone's house and they bought me a cake, the Christmas cake. I'm like, oh, I bought you this. I'll be like, alright. And I wouldn't be like, oh God, I wish they didn't buy me that.
No, let's try mine. I like Christmas cake. I haven't had it like since last Christmas.
You didn't have it last Christmas.
Oh.
What do you think? You like it? Are we going to be drunk?
You might be. It's 45% alcohol.
What?
Did you not know that?
No, it's not.
It is. It actually is. It's like brandy and cider. It's 45%.
I think we're alright.
That's why it tastes so funny and strong.
But we didn't have to be ID'd to buy it.
No, we did.
No, we didn't.
We did, but the thing went off.
That wasn't because of the Christmas cake.
It was one of the things.
Probably the alcohol you bought.
I didn't buy any. Oh, Bucks fizz. Yeah, it must have been.
And also, I got ID'd because of the Red Bull, not because of the cake.
No, I'm joking. It's like 17% cider, I'm pretty sure, like the ingredients, but that's it.
Wasn't bad. I feel like on itself it was bad. But the custard. I've got a hot chocky bomb. That's definitely Christmassy because they only come out at Christmas. And I've got some squirty cream. Oh guys, you don't do the kettle. You warm it up. You warm up your milk and then put the bomb in. So I need to warm up this in the microwave.
Look, it's going to go in. Ready? Steady.
Yeah. The mat.
It's bubbling. It's all bubbling.
Oh.
It pooed. Oh, it's pooing. Got any more? Oh, there you go. Couple more.
Let me get a spoon out. What's a marshmallow? I'm going to get back.
Charles Courage's got something to show you all. Well done. Look at that. Very good.
Very good.
Which one should I try first?
The mini twist selection.
Okay.
Very Christmassy. Don't make fun of me.
Oh. That's two different little things.
That's good.
Let's give it a go.
It's struggling to focus because the lighting's so bad. There we go.
Very good.
What flavour?
I don't know what that was. Plain.
Oh.
I don't know what that one was. Chive and onion.
Stinky. Reese didn't like the crackers, they were boring.
They were very plain.
But
Right,
they
ready?
get copyright for this song, I think.
Ooh.
Oh, dropping chocolate in the bed. We all just witnessed it.
So good.
So guys, we are stuffed out. There'll be no more eating food now, but I hope you enjoyed watching us eat food for 24 hours, and we'll see you tomorrow with another video. Bye!